If I fall from this place, if I fall from this place, if I fall from this place,
keep my leg down. Joy, keep my leg down. Keep my, you know we are alive. Keep my leg down. You're bringing me. Look at what you're doing on live video. So if you give that, I want to flit.
Flit now. Flit.
I will flit every. I will flit you.
Give me that flit.
I will flit you.
If I faint in this,
I will flit away your pains you have cost me. Don't try me. Obey me now.
Obey you.
Don't dare me.
I will obey you, so make I obey and we do it. I decide to sleep here today, and I will sleep here today.
Madam, you will not tell me to sleep in my house.
Anywhere.
So you want the golden thing?
For your mind, I wait till they make it.
Madam, what am I? So you want the golden thing?
Which golden thing?
You want the golden boy?
You don't say if you near me, self, I no go. Which golden?
No, she want the golden boy. She knows I am gold. I am golden. You want the golden boy?
You know. Okay. Come on for bed. But you want sleep,
Get down. I want to sleep. Don't come and stress me.
In my room.
Please.
The Yeye look like your father's house.
You are the one that brought.
The Yeye look like your father's house.
So face it.
The Yeye look like your father's house. Nothing more to do in my house.
Hey, what do you want?
Madam, excuse me.
There is space. Either I put. May I tell you?
Please, hey. No. You nearly want to put allegation in my head. You all want them? Hey, Joy, come. You cannot keep on provoking me. Joy, go away from my room. Leave my room now.
Imagine the time you are awake.
Leave my room. No, don't leave my room. You're not meant to be in my room. So, madam, leave my room.
I'm not meant to be in your room. I don't understand.
Madam, leave my room for me.
The same right you have is the same equal right I have too in this
Madam, leave my room.
You and we should have equal rights.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
You and we should have equal rights. You know why you're equal rights.
Madam.
So, because I kept quiet and
Madam,
I excuse myself, I'm mistaken.
Madam, I'm showing this thing. It's proof right now. Madam, it's proof right now. This video is a proof. Let the whole world know. I touch you.
I have equal rights in this room.
You have what equal rights?
So because I want to, because I
what equal rights?
To just stay away from you people trouble and everything.
What equal rights? I'm asking you. See,
if I want to stay,
I don't want to talk too much.
I'll stay anywhere I like.
I don't want to talk too much. Madam, serum.
You play, because I'll not leave this.
If Nashi they cause her, make yourself. Come on for the room.
It's as if something is wrong with your brain. It's as if something is wrong with your brain.
If you know that you are tired
Wait. Are you telling me that something is wrong with me?
I'm telling you, you don't want to.
If you are the one causing the problem, you say go away from the room.
You are telling me to respect husband. See you are behaving like someone that is sensitive.
No, when I was saying it's my equal right, they say, I beg you, don't they follow me, they talk anything, Jare. Don't they follow me, they talk anything.
After I go say you know they beg for Gola, what are you doing?
Beg for Gola, even if you come near me today now, you know, I go fling him.
You fling who?
Madam,
respect your mouth. You fling who?
Which Gola?
You fling who?
When two of you are done with your stupid.
If you know,
no. I want to get this thing right. I should carry myself and go out for Musuru Mary.
I am telling you, both of you are done with your stupid.
Are you normal?
Is that what you did?
But are you normal? Do you know you're talking to me? Are you normal? Come.
If you try anything, I'll go even try.
Madam, hey Jesus, it is so annoying that I cannot be at peace in my own house.
If you know that you cannot sleep on the
Joy,
you leave
I beg.
the place. If you don't say enough, you manage the bed, go sleep for free.
Please. Out.
I should stand up. I should stand up.
Joy, please out.
You want me to stand up?
Joy, please, I beg you in the name of God.
Funny,
Joy, please out.
You want me to stand
please
up?
Out.
So this one I'll be respecting since you don't
Joy,
like
please, I beg you in the name of God.
I'll be respecting you since you don't like
Joy, please, out of my room.
Out of which room?
Joy, out of my room.
Also my room.
Abasimbom, help me this time.
Help me this
time, Lord Jesus.
Oga, go sit down, Joy. If you
Stop
don't
frustrating
go
me.
and sleep on the floor.
I should sleep on the floor.
Sleep on the floor, you go to the sitting room, you go to the guest house. Me where they sleep for that guest room. My name changed.
Mary, if you know you are also the problem of this, I beg you, Nemo. One to go. I know they do again. Oh. Madam, you enter who for what? I say I know they do again. Oh. You should not provoke me.
Something's wrong with both of you.
If you are insulting, better focus on insulting me. Better focus on insulting me.
Okay, fine. Now, why? I think you guys said you are not married to me. This and that, blah blah blah. What are people saying?
If I'm not married to you, wait till God consign bed than you. No, wait till God consign bed than you. I want us. Now your bad character now made this life change. Wait till God consign me and you as I dey inside bed. Like wait till God consign you. And then your money
Joy.
Can't you just act like I do not exist in this
Joy.
place and go and sleep on the floor? Or you
I should sleep on the floor in my room.
And you sleep here, so what is why
You know, say get something with someone.
Not be here, one of us.
Get something someone else supposed to talk.
Not be here with the sleep before. So
Who?
if I this who
and who?
we were here. Not be here, all of us they sleep before.
Jesus Christ.
Not be all of us they sleep here before.
Jesus Christ.
When you marry when you marry, not be here they sleep. No, when not be here they sleep. So if I decide to go to the guest room, does not mean I'm stupid. I have all right to be anywhere. Not be that one I do for kitchen. No. Not be that one I do for kitchen.
Mary, can you please excuse me from the room? I want to sleep. And I not say if I go work, I dey get stressed. If I go work, I dey get stressed.
If I go gym,
can you please excuse me from the room? I want to sleep. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
Okay,
Thank you.
You know wake Victor today.
Thank you.
Don't wake Amo. Victor, better wake him and come and let him hold this thing.
They never slap on a moon and brain reset.
Oh yeah, please, I beg you guys. I beg you guys in the name of God. Let the whole world see that I am not the problem right now. I am not the problem right now. It is too late. It is too late for all this noise.
Some men like they will avoid trouble. So okay, as we said, don't sleep. You sleep.
For how long I will keep on avoiding trouble?
It's because you love trouble. You're a troublemaker on your own.
For how long I will keep on avoiding trouble and I will be eating shit? For how long? Don't you people have brothers at home? Don't you people have sympathy? Why are you people treating me this bad?
Why are you also treating me this bad? Person just come out from you, never even say. May I rest, now be your problem. No, may I rest, now be your problem.
Joy.
Bad.
Joy, can you go back to the room that you were sleeping before?
What's it concern you? I can stay anywhere I want to stay. When I want to enter that room, now you put me go there.
Because no, the fact that you people want to challenge me that I cannot stay in my own room is a big turn off for me.
I don't understand.
For vacation, do not lock us in the same room. So what's your problem? Now you bring the misfortune on top yourself now. So take it the way God has done it for you.
People say you no sleep. Oh. Sleep if you want to sleep. Sleep. Your body pass like this. Body don't pass like this now. Sleep. I don't. The fact that you even wake me up self, they vex me because I want to sleep. It they vex me. I need to sleep well. I need to sleep well, though. If say person go come cover body now sleep, you come dey comot duvet.
Now what? Jesus Christ.
Not say you want.
Ah, blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
What have I gotten myself into?
Oh God, lie down now, or you go sleep for ground, or you go
over
rest.
my dead body.
Oh.
Ah! Over my dead body. No. Okay, me.
So you see how you
Sit in a room,
Come and carry me.
Excuse me from my room.
Come and carry
I beg you in the name of
Come
God.
and carry me.
Do you want to beat me this time?
Who they beat you? Come carry me now. What's it concern me and you? Now you go just they beat yourself because before this one they beat you. All this other stuff now they beat you. No, you just they cry your own. So now you go still cry your own. I don't beat you. This one I don't do is if I touch you with this one hand. Hey.
Man, stop making me to shout for the fact that I'm shouting. Mama God,
who you can't decline?
Mama God,
no, who you can't decline?
I will deal with you personally.
Who you can't decline bed for?
Madam, would you?
They tell you say only you sabi climb bed. No, they tell you say only you sabi climb bed.
You're stepping on my bed.
They tell you say only you sabi climb bed.
I'm stepping on. You're stepping on my bed.
Which bed? Our bed. Our bed.
Mary, oh yeah, it's okay. You're not excluded also. Please go. You should go.
Carry yourself, go down, Jare.
Excuse me from my room.
So you're even disgracing yourself.
Joy, please, can you...
Oh, God, go down, go. Carry
you
yourself.
Respect yourself.
Oh, yeah, you are the Jagaba, strong man.
You respect yourself.
Oh, God, they go.
Joy, excuse me from my room.
You self, go down.
You're doing your worst.
Go down.
Joy, you're doing your worst. I want to lie down on my bed. Madam, you're... Respect yourself.
If I fall from this, I swear to my teeth, it's not be funny.
Mary, you should excuse me from my room.
First person they follow you talk.
Ah, Jesus, what have I got to myself?
You got it.
Just
pass, John.
Excuse me.
If you
what would you do?
Don't try that thing again.
Do you want to disrespect me again?
Don't try it again.
Do you want to disrespect me again?
You are doing it now. You are doing it now.
Want to disrespect me
you
again?
are pushing me so that the case I fall, don't know that you
How am I pushing you? Did I touch you?
Is
that you want to put allegation in my head? Are you seeing what I'm doing, video? The whole world, are you seeing what I'm doing video every time? She wants to put allegation in my head right now.
He was doing me like this.
Ah, Lord Jesus. Women are there.
If I fall from this if I fall from this place, if I fall from this place,
keep my leg down. Joy, keep my leg down. Keep it. You know we are alive. Keep my leg down. You're bringing me. Look at what you're doing on live.
Hey, you're trying me, oh.
Why
please, everyone. You should not frustrate me this time. No. Go. Go. It's okay.
It's okay, wait.
Oh,
that's why I'm going to come up for your job.
Mother, they see the allegation now when she won't put for my head. After they'll say, is everything life? But she want to put allegation in my head the same way Mary did. The same way Mary did. She want to put allegation in my head.
Is that she will be facing you.
What did I do to deserve all this?
You're going to put Mary inside. She gonna face
what have I done? I'm talking. What have I done to deserve
everybody see me?
This?
Why man go to behave like this? On top say what sleep or bed. Why man go to behave like
Madam,
this?
you not
Is there no space?
Madam,
is there no space? Somebody they sleep. This guy just wake person up. Meaning what now?
Joy, you
Joy,
not tell me what to do in my house.
You dey tie hair for me.
You not tell me what to do in my house.
Let's see what comes.
Madam, excuse me.
There's space. Either you put. Make I tell you.
Please, no. You nearly want to put allegation in my head.
You did now.
Assuming I was not on live.
Some of you they do me like this.
Assuming I was not on live right now, this is how you put allegation in my head. And now they will tell me I've done something bad.
On that shoot, John. You now they find my trouble. Okay.
Come on for bed. But you want sleep,
get down. I want to sleep. Don't come and stress me.
In my room.
Please.
The Yeye look like your father's house.
You are the one that brought.
The Yeye look like your father's house.
So face it.
The Yeye look like your father's house.
It is not.
Did he tell you that he's in hell before?
Did
you tell you that he's in hell before? Did he tell you that he's in hell before?
Know how you handle it.
Did he tell you that he's in hell before?
And stop shouting and jumping like what I don't know. You are not a child that is in kindergarten that is doing jumping. I am jumping. Go and sit down. Don't come and stress me. Alone with batting, them are batting me jail. Now sleep, I won't sleep now when they disturb me. And if I start now, people will start saying I'm overreacting.
Okay, come down from bed and act like a man and go and sleep.
Nobody knows what I'm doing.
If you don't go, I want to flit the whole room.
If anything happen to me, see and hear.
Madam, no, I cannot take this. Let the whole world. Nobody should blame me for it. I want to flit my room. It is my room. I want to flit it.
Flit it now.
Madam, go. I want to flit my room.
You know why they do everything why they do. They go say today you gotta cook for
it will affect you.
If I want to cook in that kitchen, I will cook. If I want to cook
in
that kitchen,
I'm talking about kitchen.
I'm not showing anybody
what when I see how this is the day bring me down. It's bringing me down.
I will cook. I'm trying to avoid your trouble because I know now trouble you dey find. Now trouble you dey find.
Yes, get muti. Yeah. I will flit everywhere now in your eyes. I said I will flit everywhere now in your eyes. Nobody will be in this room again.
There's nothing you will do, guy. Leave that thing. Happy fine now. Drop it.
Don't try me. Obey me now.
Obey you.
Don't dare me.
I will obey you, so make I obey and go do it. I decide to sleep here today, and I will sleep here today.
Madam, you will not tell me to
sleep
in my house.
If I want to sleep anywhere, I will sleep anywhere.
Who said that?
Who
said that?
So I decide to come and sleep here.
Who said that kind of a statement? Who took him? Who took him? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Also, you want the golden thing. So you want the golden thing.
For your mind, I wait till they make it.
Madam, what I'm asking, so you want the golden thing?
Which golden thing?
You want the golden boy.
You know say if you near me, self, I not go. Which golden?
No, she want the golden boy. She knows I am gold. I am golden. You want the golden boy.
He knows.
Now what are you fighting for? What are you fighting for?
Who carry camera? Not be you.
They want the golden boy. You understand? They want the golden boy. Then what are you fighting for?
What are you fighting for?
They give me chance.
Oh, you sleep on the floor now.
Give me chance. Give me chance.
It's a golden boy.
You want the golden boy? Now the boy is so sexy.
The golden boy,
the boy is so sweet. The boy is so excellent. The boy is so good down there. Go shift.
I know they crave any golden boy now. You're good now. She they crave.
Then why are you in my room? What are you doing in my room?
It's my right to be there.
This is crazy.
It's my right.
Oh, Ada told you like this now.
On top my own.
Ada told you like this. Ada told you like this now. How you enter the market. You enter the market.
Guy, she make her help you arrange the floor. So you
Oh, Ara.
because you are raking. I know
Madness.
Ara. You see, this time
If you don't want me go now, I don't understand. You if you don't want me go, why are you putting in my room? You want. You spoil my name on the social media. You insult me, talk to me anyhow. No problem. What I know be say nobody go come outside, come point me or talk to me anyhow. There's no bother person where everything ends in social media and everything will end in social media. There's nobody born of a woman or a man that will see me outside and talk to me anyhow. I will arrest you.
Nobody want talk.
I will arrest you.
Nobody want talk to you anyhow. Shall go and sleep in the guest room.
Since people are giving them the rights to talk to me anyhow on their phone, to talk to me anyhow on social media, to blog rubbish about me and my family. You are giving them the rights, the temerity.
Okay.
Now you pretend. What are you guys doing in my room?
Which room? So you know no
Can you name me now? You give one them hey yeah yeah. Let's go. No kwata na no lugi. No kwokukina na tom ne. I don't want to be hearing that your stupid voice.
I'm not pitying your life. Me, I'm pitying your life.
Why are you pitying?
I'm pitying you. Why are you
pitying? You know me too well.
Don't come close to me.
You know me too well.
You know say my bag get very easy to hijack you.
Madam, if
I will throw you down.
Madam, if I mean you,
I will hijack and I will throw you down.
Madam, if I mean you, I will
Okay,
bring you
because I don't know why you they climbed up. Oh, I don't know why you are climbing up for.
Madam, leave my house.
For waiting.
Leave my house.
Which house?
If I mean, I will bring you down. 2 seconds, I will bring you down.
2 seconds, I will bring you down.
2 seconds, I will bring you down. Excuse me, I want to flit.
Flit now. Flit.
I will flit. I want to flit.
Hey, this guy are trying me. Oh, I'll carry that flit and I'll flit it on your eyes.
I said I want to flit. Hey, it will choke you people here.
You are saying I need to rest.
You will not rest. It will choke you go. I want to flit.
Before I go tomorrow night, I go talk say don't get high BP.
I want to flit my room. And if I flit this room, I will lock it.
See the flit where you flit and all the smell circulate for
That's why I want to flit it.
Give me that flit, I beg. I don't like that kind of rubbish.
Don't come close to me, madam.
Keep
Madam,
keep the flit, Jerry. I want
yourself.
If anything I put to, see,
I will flit you.
Give me that flit.
I will flit you.
If I faint in this
I will
because of this
flit
your rubbish,
away the pains you have cost me.
If I faint,
I will flit you.
If I faint,
I will flit you. I will flit you.
You know, sir, I'm allergic to this rubbish.
Be allergic and get out.
Give me that thing.
Be allergic and get out
People
from
should
this
tell
place.
him.
I will flit you. You know you want to from that house.
Give me this thing, no, before the authors I don't disrespect.
I will flit you. I will flit you.
Flit me now.
I will flit you.
Me now, if me, I'll not flit my own back.
I will flit you.
Me, let me
I'm not
just
joking.